Today I'd like to show you something about one cable automation which is introduced in 2015 through the EtherCAT-P technology. But it's not just a new connector or a one cable solution. It is a complete new cabling philosophy. I'd like to show you the philosophy of cabling a little bit in a kind of history. Here we have for this simplified machine concept. This simplified machine concept has individual processing stations and they are connected by a conveyor system. In the beginning, I'd like to show you a centralized approach which becomes a little bit outdated, but it is still in use, for example, in the process industry or in special machine building. As you can imagine, due to the long cable length, there is a high installation effort. And if you take a look to the main control cabinet, then you will see, or then you can imagine that cable ducts at this point will be crowded. The result of these crowded cable ducts and big cable bundles will be that troubleshooting during the commissioning will be really hard. The next cabling structure is the decentralized cabling structure, which is now standard in the serial production of machines, and it is necessary for the modularization of plants and machines. There you can see different kinds of remote control cabinets which are located close to the application. And EtherCAT box modules are also close to the application, to the working station, which you can see at the robot. In addition to the remote control cabinets and the decentralized I/O systems, we have also the OCT servo motor system, which we established in 2012. The OCT provides a one cable technology. That means one cable instead of two cables for supplying the motor. This decentralized cable structure saves up to 30% of wiring effort through the shorter cable length. But the goal for Beckhoff is to have a control cabinet-free machine cabling. So that's the future. That means that almost every device is decentralized. An example of decentralized automation systems is the AMP. The AMP motor has an integrated drive. And this AMP motor is supplied by distribution models and connected with an EtherCAT-P hybrid cable. In addition to the one cable structure or one cable automation structure, we also have on robot side the EP boxes, but as EPP variant, which is also connected by just one cable, which supplies EtherCAT and 2 times 24 volts. If we compare this cabling structure with a centralized cabling structure, then you can see that the cabling can be used round about 50%. These cabling structure will be completed by plug-and-play systems and modular machines concepts. to look at let's have a look to modular machine concept. Here you see a simplified structure of modularization. These modularization implicated different types of advantages. For example, we have minimizing downtimes during the maintenance by replacing single machine modules. And on the other hand, this type or this structure of modular machines enables the flexibility of a one-piece flow in the production and customized consumer products, for example.